All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a good Christmas day. Have enough room? Damn, barely. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Shelby out. Get a little Christmas POV drive in here. I am spending Christmas alone, which is the way I like it, to be honest. You just do what you want and just relax. So let's get a cold start and get on with it. I smell that E85. This car is still dirty. I have not washed it since I got back from the shop. This needs to get washed ASAP. Can also tell those wheels. I haven't even cleaned this thing out since I got it back from the shop, so I'm gonna pull this car out and do exactly that.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start your day, whatever time it may be. Hope you guys are having a safe and happy holiday. It is Christmas Day, the time I'm recording this, so hope you guys are having a good time. Like I said, I'm spending Christmas alone this year. I've spent Christmas alone for like the past, I want to say 2 years now. And honestly, actually no. This will be the 3rd year actually. 3 years spending Christmas alone. And honestly, it's not as bad as you might think. You know what I'm saying? You can just do what you want, relax, chill. And that's essentially what I'm doing right now. Just going out on a cruise. It's cool outside, cool. It's cold. It's like 55 degrees out. Like whenever it gets below, I'm telling you guys, whenever it gets below 60 degrees in Texas, it's cold. It feels like it's 30. I guarantee if I was to go back to visit Chicago right now, it literally would feel the same to me. I'm so used to the 100+ degree weather because it gets to like 110 in the summer. That this is 50 degree, man. That 50 degree drop is something, man. 50, 60 degree drop is no joke. Whew. It's actually the first time I'm actually taking this car out since I actually got it back from the shop too. So this will be a good chance to go ahead and monitor things. Best believe when I cold started my car, I literally got on the ground and looked to see if there's anything leaking. Come on, baby. Got a lot of traffic here. It's just kind of insane. It's Christmas. What y'all doing? Exactly what I'm doing. Come on, man. Come on, man. All my temps warm up. Yeah, my engine oil is still cool. It's crazy because these Mickeys, like, they air down so, I mean, they go back up obviously when you get some heat in the tires, but if you let this car sit, I've noticed this. It's something you guys should definitely keep in mind if you're not really familiar with Mickeys. When you let these Mickeys sit for like, let's say like 5-6 days, and it's like cold. I don't know the heat rating exactly on Mickey's, but when it gets like 50 degrees and below, the tires really do start to lose air if you let them sit. Like if I let this car sit for like, let's say, 3 weeks, I guarantee they'd be flat. 100%. If I didn't move it for 3 weeks, it'd be flat. Let's go ahead and put the fun mode on. Something I also want to kind of mention in this video, since we're just doing a chill POV, I actually looked into the car when I was actually inspecting, you know, all the oil stuff before I took it to the shop. I actually have on the Borla, I think I spoke on this before, I actually have the Borla Ford Performance Borla mufflers. I think it's actually the full catback. So if somebody has a 100% stock GT350 catback, I'm talking about the full, not the full exhaust where I'm talking about the headers, I don't need that. I just need the full catback. If somebody wants to trade the 100% stock GT350 catback for my Ford Performance Borla catback, let me know down in the comment section. Or hit me up on Instagram. It has to be stock, because I do want to retain the active mufflers. I don't want Corsa, even though they sound good, I still want to maintain the active mufflers. If they make a Corsa active mufflers, I don't think they do, and you want to trade for whatever reason, hit me up as well. But I do want to see what this car would sound like with a 100% stock catback. I know it's not going to sound bad. This is the only reason why I'm trying to see, because it's going to be like a win-win scenario. It's either going to sound exactly the same, or it sounds maybe a little bit sharper, if that makes any sense. Because I've heard some cars with like my long tube headers with the stock catback, and it sounds a little bit sharper. But if nobody wants to trade, all good. I still like the way this car sounds with this catback. Woo. Just that bite, man. That's what I love about this exhaust, that bite, something else. Do a little pull right here just to see what's up. Started to slip a little bit there too. I fucking love the way this car sounds though. Under watt, I short shifted like crazy, but under watt, whew, it sounds amazing. I'm actually gonna pull up to that gas station I always go to, just to go ahead and look under the car, just to make sure. I'm still kind of paranoid, so I definitely want to go ahead and see if we good. But it's that top of third gear is where that clutch starts to sink. Oh hell nah. Actually, let me not go bullshit around, because I very well may get gapped by that shit if my clutch slips. Yeah, let me not bullshit around with that fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Maybe. That thing sounded nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Got that external wastegate. he's pulling up. Hell yeah. Ah, shit. Man, this thing clean. It gapped the shit out of the Shelby, that's for damn sure. With the rotated turbo. Shit. I used to have the same wheels on my car too.
Yeah, they're my street wheels.
They're good because they're light. Damn, homeboy at the GoPro. Homeboy at the GoPro in there already. Yup. Shit.
That's what I was telling you. She said she just had it for a year.
Damn. I would have for real fucked around and found out my car. This thing's hard. All right, let's get out of here, man. Dude, I'm so glad I actually did not race that car. We didn't have room, and I would have got fucked up. Leave it to Texas. Run into an STI. Fully built engine, rotated turbo, making 600 horsepower. Man, I should have took the 2-valve out, no cap. If I knew I was gonna run into that car, I would have got gapped. The funny thing is, that dude's Instagram, I grabbed his Instagram because, you know what I'm saying? I always gotta follow the nice, clean Subaru builds. This shit was V8 bait. So, I am real glad I did not fuck around and find out. Cause I heard that external wastegate, I should have known something was gonna be up with that external wastegate, but man, that was badass, dude. He has that thing like straight sleeper mode too. Got the Koenig Hypergram wheels on it. Dude said he was from Colorado. Makes sense. I did not fuck around and find out. I would have got walked. Especially because this clutch slips, and I would have been real bad. I should have known. I should have known. I should have known. As soon as I heard that, from that external gate, man. Man, so glad I did not race that car. But that was pretty badass. A nice little, you know, run in on Christmas Day. Come on, man, what is you doing? And these downshifts though. Ooh, Kansas car, alright. He's definitely here for the holidays. Or he just moved. Discount Tires closed. I don't know, they took Christmas Day off because a lot of places don't take Christmas off no more. Man, that would have been I need to boost this car. I need to boost this car. I need to boost this car now. But I gotta do it right, so it's actually fast. Or at least as fast as I want it to be. I want it to be a certain way when it's boosted. And with a car like this, you gotta take your time. You gotta do it all right at the same time, so you're not kind of circling back and chasing your tail, because this car needs to be on E85. It needs to be fully down accordingly. It needs to be preferably on a different wheel and tire setup. And technically the Mickeys are fine, but gotta get off these 19s. Come on, man. Damn, you caught traffic. Fuck. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the joyride. Always nice to go ahead and take out the Shelby GT350, especially when the weather is pretty decent. No rain, no snow, nothing like that. And man, not every day you run into a nice, clean 600 horsepower STI. I would have for real fucked around and found out if I decided to go ahead and try that car. In this, definitely would have, I would have needed the 2 valve for that for sure. But if you guys enjoy, feel free to drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and hopefully have a good Christmas. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.